Students, I am going to discuss about design of fixture in this session. Shown here is a component with a base having 4 machined holes, and we have to machine a slot as shown in this figure using a milling fixture. So for machining this slot, we are going to design a milling fixture. The milling cutter is shown here. The type of milling cutter is side and face milling cutter. So we are going to use this on a horizontal milling machine, and the rotating milling cutter is used for milling the slot, and when the component is pushed against the rotating cutter, you get the slot machined on the workpiece. So a fixture will have location system, clamping system, whereas a drill jig will have location system, clamping system and tool guiding system. Fixture will have only location and clamping systems. We are going to discuss about how to locate the component on the fixture and how to clamp the component on the fixture. So this shows the isometric view of the milling fixture. Since the fixture is going to be used on a milling machine, we call this as a milling fixture. If the fixture is used on a shaping machine, we can call this as a shaping fixture. So here the component is shown here. For locating the component, we are going to make use of one round locating pin and one diamond locating pin. And for clamping the component, we are going to make use of strap clamp, 2 numbers. And this is setting block for setting the height of the milling cutter. So this is the exploded view of the milling fixture. There is a base on which all the other elements are to be mounted. On the base, we provide one round locating pin and one diamond locating pin for locating the component. For clamping purpose, we are fixing a stud on the base, so 2 numbers, and there is a heel pin, 2 numbers, which are fixed to support the strap clamp. So this is the component. The component is having 4 machined hole already present. We are making use of these opposite 2 machined hole for locating the component. And the strap clamp is shown here, washer and nut. So this is the exploded view of the designed milling fixture. So these are the orthographic views of the milling fixture that has been designed. This is the top view. The component is shown here. On the component, we have 4 machined holes already present. We are making use of these 2 holes for locating the component using a round locating pin and using a diamond locating pin. We are going to locate the component, and these are the 2 strap clamp, and the nut and washer are shown. The dotted line shows the heel pin, which is used to support the strap clamp. For locating the component, as I already said, we are going to use one round locating pin and one diamond locating pin. So those details are available in the data book. Now this is the round locating pin and this is the diamond locating pin. So these are available in page number 5.92 of the data book. The strap clamp details are available in page number 5.94 of the data book. The stud, we are going to use 2 number of stud for clamping purpose. So these details are available in 5.64. Let us discuss about the part drawing of the fixture. So this is the assembly drawing of the milling fixture. It has got a base and two strap clamp and two locating pin and setting block. The part drawing of the base is shown here. This is the elevation, this is the top view. So we are providing two threaded hole for fixing the stud for the purpose of clamping the workpiece. We provide two round hole for fixing a round locating pin and diamond locating pin onto the base. Further, we drill two more hole for fixing the heel pin for the purpose of supporting the strap clamp. The stud is shown in this figure. This is the round locating pin and this is the two views of the diamond locating pin and this is the two views of the strap clamp and this is the heel pin. A support. So the rotating cutter is made to touch the base of the setting block, okay, such a way that on passing the milling cutter over the machine, over the component, the required depth of the slot will be machined. Similarly, the side surface of the milling cutter is set to touch on the side surface of the setting block for the purpose of positioning the cutter. So once the cutter is positioned in this way using the setting block, then the only movement given to the table of the milling machine is the longitudinal movement. So when you move the table in the longitudinal way, the required slot is cut with the required depth and with the required positioning with respect to this direction.